So I have this top handle. Yeah, wala na kayo na ako gamita kasi wala kayo siya gamit. And the thing is, medyo mubo siya at first. It's only up to here. You see that? Well, tungod adding extension, mas taas na siya. You can hold it properly, but it's still not perfect. So I just got this one here. Whoopsie. So this one, murag mas covered siya sa back part. So we're gonna try to replace this, but i-retain tani ka din sa taas because I can put stuffs here. So yeah, hopefully I can get a use of this thing a lot. But other than that, yeah, let's install it. So yeah, it's a bit check the tools. Looks like only silver. Okay, that's gonna affect things. I can use the old one actually. Let's see. Yeah, I think I can use the old one, but the new one looks good. I think it's a bit. What the heck? Huh, different holes. So it goes out to the back part. But anyway, should have chosen black, but I think this is what I have. Okay. Check if it was black. Yeah, silver might matter. Doesn't matter. Should have checked if it was black. Oh. Okay. It's nice that they're using plastic. But let's remove this one. Old one. I'm just too lazy today. should have checked if it's black. So it's not black. So there you go. Coolio. Just focusing. First impressions about this one here. Muna ni siya. My only gripe here is that lain siya color, silver, di siya black. Di siya parehas yung old one, which is black, which blends well with the handle. This one doesn't blend well with the handle. Second thing is kani siya sharp siya, kanina siya hot spot diri. I'll get used to it, but marag check ma-feel gina kung hole ba. If they blocked it, I would have been okay, because this one here, it's like blocked in some, but this one's not. So maybe design. Also it makes it lighter because kuan gishaven ni like parts there. Other than that, it's very good. This one blended well with that. It's black, and yeah. So I don't like holding. Usually, you hold it this way, and it would have been okay to use that. But yeah, this one feels like something's wedged sa akong lubot or sa akong kamot. So yeah, I hold it inani. So this way, more mas kuan siya. It will be front heavy though, but kung mag-rig ka tangan mo V-mount to the it would be nice. But yeah, just a bit of protection here para mo siya sturdy. Yep, pretty good. Just the color and this hot spot here, but other than that, pretty good. So ang kanisang bag-o, pwede nimo gamitan sa daan. Fortunately, ang daan is kanang nakamount lang diha. It's shorter, so this part here na siya yung rug bolt, and I can't bolt it to the one underneath. So my tabo is if I'm gonna use this, kanang wala na kay siya ikusog diri, because this one here is holding there, and you gonna wrap around niya, and it's holding this and go straight up. So ang ihang strength is all over. It's just all over the handle, which is very good. This one here, it would have been nice if this worked, but new design. I prefer the new design tungod kay yeah, it just supports here and there, and just supports the whole thing. This one, yeah, I'll try to sell it. The old one has this handle thingy underneath. It would have been nice if they placed that, but again, it's gonna add some weight. Shaving that, they're trying to shave that to get weight off, because that one's like, this one looks solid but has a bit of weight. Anyway, yeah, other than that, it's all good. And kaning a video by dili siya sponsored or anyway. I bought this with my own money. I'm just trying to show you guys. So other than that, good day. Ayaw mo dia. So this is a supplement video ganina by I just put it on the camera and here it is. And you see that the black part there. Again, muting up one. So this is just a supplement video. I just put this on the camera and kita ka silver, black, and the body's FX3 silver. So as you can see, it just works. Just works flawlessly. So if I just kung gikuha na ko ang cage na silver for this, if this has a silver one, the new upgraded one, so it would look good with this camera, but I'm okay with the black. Okay, kaning nga black one siya mura kanang worn out look, kanang na siya mga kanang murag vintage, murag na siya mga gas ba. So it works. I like that, and this thing works. It's so strong. I mean, it's so strong. It just reinforced like siya the metal from here going up here, and it holds with this metal. This metal holds here, holds it there, and it's just really strong. So good job, Smallrig. So yes, kanang though akong white balance ganyan na sigo sa busab, I didn't realize that I didn't set it up to 5600. This is a 5600 white balance ganina ni usab-usab. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, other than that, take care guys, and keep on shooting. Bye. Kind of like this lighting. Kind of like it. Should have done it before. Rim lighting, face. Yeah. Should have done this.